testing. Yo, what's good, Manoli? What are you looking at today? You take anything yet? For the 15-minute. Oh, this. I gotcha. Oops. To equal those on ES or what? Because I was looking at this. Oh yeah, this right here. Yeah, no, I saw this. Yeah, I was looking at this short, especially in the 1 minute right here when it tapped into this little gap here and rejected. It was like right here. I was thinking about shorting, but I held off only because I didn't like the SMT here, and then we also had that SMT from like this, I believe. But yeah, I mean, it was a good short for sure. I was still bearish. I just didn't pull the trigger. Did you hold for Did you hold for the lows? No. Oh yeah. Not 280. Yeah, definitely. Where's your entry? Like 508 or something? 100 points? That's pretty solid. Yeah, nice. $500 flat. They profit? Oh, I'm retarded. Nice, that's solid, dude. It's really solid. point of this? Just barely not. Yeah, I was waiting for this. Like I saw these lunch highs get put in, and I want to see this sweep and then dump back down. Honestly, I think we might go lower. Honestly, I'm hoping we get back into this 4-hour gap here. It's weird though, because if we get back above the next 12 minutes close, then we might actually hold it. I don't know, we'll see. Ideally we close underneath the next 12 minutes and then retrace back up, take this, and then dump. Yeah, also this weekly gap is fully now getting filled. Oh, there's so much mess in my chart. What's the weekly on ES look like? Kind of similar. Yeah, Friday closes me interesting. Like we close under this, if we close like decently under these gaps on the weekly here, this could get pretty bearish. But honestly, like you have to like really, like it could even close under this gap a little bit and like still bounce off this order block or something. But I think if we close under like, if we get down to like this low, like mid 700s, I think we push straight through this gap here, and we just push straight for like these lows down here. Like this NQ gap down at 22,800 could definitely see a push into that for sure. I tried this long. So I entered at like 258, 259, and then my stop when I enter IFTGs like this, I always wait for a closure underneath the FVG if it's gonna come for my stop loss. I got break even. I got break evened. What's up, Toasty? How you doing? On Battlefield. On Battlefield 6? Dude, I was thinking about buying it, but I know if I buy Battlefield, I'm just gonna be playing it way too much. Did I catch anything? I got break evened. Let me turn this off for now so it's a little easier to see. I got break evened here. I longed 258, and then oops. Stop loss was underneath this gap here. And then I put break even at this high. So I could have trimmed. I was up 50 points, but I wanted to see a move. I was hoping that this would be the delivery back up to these highs here, which is what came much after. So once that happened, I just chilled, and then once I saw lunch hour highs and lows, we got this dump, and I started holding this 15-second gap, and I took a long on. I bought 5 new evals, and I took a long here. Or maybe it was probably a little higher. I'd probably take it like right here on 5 evals and passed them all. So yeah, that's pretty much it for me. I wanted to short, but I saw SMT here, didn't want it there. I wanted to short in here, but I wanted to sweep up to like 412, 410 area. I wanted like a move up here to then short back down, which we never got it. And then now I'd like to short again, but I'd like to see us take out this buy side here before we go lower, but that might not happen. So I'm just chilling. What about you? Take anything? Oops. Short at 10:10 Eastern, so that's 7:10 for me. 7:10. Oh shit. So you shorted like 440 to 404. You caught the bottom? Damn. Good shit, bro. Did you just do 1-to-1? Like a 40-point stop, 40-point TP? Or like 35-point TP? Oops, why do I keep doing that? 930 refugee age lows on MQ. 930. Oh, fire. Damn, you slap that shit off rip. Immediately. Was there a 2 minute here also? Not really, a 3 minute. No, just a 1. Shit. And just a 1. Nice, bro. Good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, money's been good lately. How's your trading these days? You sizing up overall? Obviously not today, but overall. Two accounts going. Nice. With what, Top Step? Nice. That feels good. What do I have? Top Step Live account, Tradeify Live account, and then I've got 5 funded Next Futures fundeds, and then I've got some sim funded accounts with Lucid, and then right now I'm gonna start working on some funded futures, some My Funded Futures evals, and some Alpha Futures evals. Dude, once you're seeing consistency and you've like made, I waited longer than I probably even should have, but like once you've made probably 30, 40, 50K from like props, like just using like 1, 2, 3 props at a time, like accounts, it's so much easier to bypass like 20 different evals, and then you're funded across 20 different accounts with like maybe 3, 4, 5 different firms, and then you just go micros or like 1 mini max size, and you make like 400, 500, $600 per account, or even less maybe. I mean, you make $400 per account, 20 accounts, that's $8,000 a day, That's so much easier to make $400 per account on 1 mini or 5 micros than it is to make $8,000 on 1 account or 2 accounts, And if you have consistency rules, then you just like either you just go for small days, or you just copy trade all your accounts plus like live accounts, and then with your, you basically just go like your capped accounts with like consistency or with like capped payouts. You just go for like the most basic like profit target, and then your live accounts or your uncapped payout accounts, you just go for like crazy high like runners, you know. And then best case scenario, it all hits and you're like hella green, or your live accounts go break even, and then your other accounts, you take that little profit. Or obviously some days you're just gonna have a red day, but that's kind of the idea of it. What's stopping you from getting more accounts? Dude, especially with MFF, dude, right now they're so cheap. It's like $75 per account. Honestly, like for me, I just max risk. I max risk like all my evals, and it takes me first try or two tries, three tries. I don't really care. Like the time, my time is worth more than the money I put into buying evals. You know, I'd rather fail five evals, copy trading them twice, and then pass the third time, than take like 5 days or 6 days, a week, whatever it is, 2 weeks to pass it the first try. Because I can, if I pass it in like a day or 2 days, and I buy, let's say, the account three times, I can get a payout still before I'll pass the account trading it like a much safer way. And that payout will is more valuable to me than like only buying the eval once, you know. All right, there's buy side. We'll dump IFEG, Ripper, 40 points. That's pretty clean actually. What really sucks lately is the government shutdown really blows, though, I will say. Because yeah, I just take dumbass trades sometimes like mid. Yeah, I mean, I do the same sometimes too, bro. It's part of trading. Just gotta try to eliminate that dumbassness, you know. But yeah, what was I saying? Alright, yeah, I'll catch you. Yeah, man, this could be good for a short, not gonna lie. y'all have any questions and what I'm looking at, let me know. If you want to review like any trades from today, whatnot, let me know. This looks really flipping bearish, actually, boys. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. This IFEG could be good. Preferably, we get one more push higher and then dump. Seems like all these dumps we've been having lately have been reversing and not continuing the end of the day, but this could be the one that actually dumps end of day. You get 2 hours till market closes. You know, buy side taken. Yeah, this could be it. I don't know, we'll see. Oops. I don't need to do that. Why can't I capture window? Oh, there we go. Nice. That's way better. For puts to hold, I want, or for shorts to hold, I want to see this area stay respected. Ideally off the middle of this area, especially with like this price action here, right? This is like the most ideal is if we come up just a little higher to like, you know, 20, 19, 20, something like that, and then just push right back down. Everyone's shorting here is stopped out, right? So now we push above, get into this gap, potentially get that dump right back down. We'll see though. That's the idea though with this. Maybe get an S&T. If ES takes and NQ doesn't, that would be even more bearish.